You know you need to start building your mailing list. Everyone tells you it's the heart of your business. You just don't know what type of lead magnet you should create. Well, wonder no more. Join me in the Lead Builder Lab, where I show you how to create your first budget-friendly, video-based email course. Courses are hot. I'll show you how to create your videos by using PowerPoint. We'll get into recording narrations. Next, we move on to YouTube, where I'll show you how to upload your videos to YouTube so that you can then share them by embedding them within your email messages. Once we're in MailChimp, I'll show you how to create your first list, your first campaign. I'll talk to you about triggers and what they are, and then I'll show you how to launch your first campaign so you can be a rock star too. Back in WordPress, I'll get into connecting the MailChimp API, and then I'll show you how to build your first custom form so that you can start collecting new leads on your mailing list. I'll show you how to embed those forms within any blog post or page. So what are you waiting for? Join me in the Lead Builder Lab. It's free.